Hello and welcome to Apan, the one-stop solution for all your SEO and content-based needs. In this video, we'll talk about how to integrate your WordPress with Apan and some common issues faced by the users and how to resolve them. So let's get into it. So once you log into Apan, go to the integrations option, and here you will see the connect more sites option. You need to click on it. And here you will have two options. First is connect with WordPress site URL and the other is connect with username and application password. We'll go with the first option now. Just type your WordPress site URL. Then click on connect WordPress. Now here you will be redirected to WordPress. You need to log in your account. And click on login. Now in WordPress, you'll need to approve the request. Here you can see I approve of this connection. Just click on it. And that's it. You successfully connected your WordPress with Apan. Now the another way is again click on connect more sites. And now you need to select the username and application password option. Now here you need to type all the options here, WordPress site URL. And then you need to enter a WordPress username. And then the application password. And now click on connect WordPress. And now here you can see your WordPress has been successfully connected to Apan. Then you must be wondering how to get your application's password. No worries, I'll guide you through that. Now open your WordPress dashboard and here navigate to the users option. Now go to profile section. Now here scroll down and you will see the application password option. Now here you need to type in new password now. Right, for now we'll let Apan. And click on the add new application password option. And that's it. Your password is right here. Just copy it and keep it safe. And you can go and copy it on the Apan as well. Now, to actually publish your article with Apan, you need to set the permalink structure. Now, let's see how to do it. Once you're logged in, log in to your WordPress account. On the dashboard, go to the settings option. And here you will see the option of permalink. Now, click on it. And here you have to make sure that your permalink structure is set to post name, just like it is here. And then you need to go and click on save changes option. And that's it. You're good to go. Now you can publish your article using Apan. If you're unable to publish your article using Apan, there can be different reasons for it. So let's see how to fix them. So one of the most common mistake people make is they do not check their permalink structure. So you have to make sure your permalink structure is set to post name, just as we discussed. So next problem might be that your WordPress application password might have expired or been removed. That might be blocking Apan's access. So let's see how to fix it. So go to your profile section under users on WordPress dashboard. And here scroll down to the application password section. Now look for Apan in the list. If it's missing, then you will need to reconnect your WordPress with Apan. The third issue usually arises if you're using Cloudflare's security, as it might be blocking Apan's access. So now how to fix this? For this, you'll need to whitelist Apan's IPs in Cloudflare. Now how to do that? Firstly, log into your Cloudflare account and then under the security section, select the WAF option. Now here under the tools section, you will need to add Apan's IPs. So now here, just add Apan's IP here. Click on allow option. And now you can add a note here. I'll add Apan for now. And now click on add. Now you can see it has been successfully added. Next, you need to disable the bot fight mode. For that, click on the bots option here. And here you will need to disable the bot fight mode. And once you've done that, you're good to go. Now, another reason that you might not be able to publish using Aban can be security plugins. So they might be interfering with the auto publishing process. So now how to fix them? So firstly, we'll need to go to the plugins option on your WordPress dashboard. And here you'll see different plugins. Now we'll need to disable the ones that you think might be causing problem. Now, how to find which one might actually be causing the problem? You can try temporarily disabling each plugin one by one, and you can just find out which plugin might be causing the issue, and you'll be fine. Now, next reason that you might not be able to post using Aban can be that your XML RPC can be blocked. So now how to check this first? Now open your browser and type your website name, website URL, and add xmlrpc.php at the end, and then click on enter. Now, if you see that XML RPC accepts request, then it is enabled. But if you see like 403 forbidden or 404 not found, then it might be blocked. So how to fix this? So now, if you're using like WordFence or iThemes security or like disable XML RPC, now check their settings and you can just enable the XML RPC. But now, if your hosting provider is blocking it, you can call them and ask them for their support. And now you can try publishing the article using Aban. Now, here are a few tips that I would like to share for a smoother integration. So, in short, first of all, you have to ensure that your WordPress site is up to date. This is very, very important. And next, please double check your login credentials. This is very important. And in any case, if you encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to Aban. And that's it for today's video. Hope you found it helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and we'll address those. Thank you for watching, and for more such videos, subscribe to Aban. You can find more details on our blog. Check the link in the description.